Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into something that I think a lot of you are interested in, easy ways to make money online.
Hmm.
So um, I got this free report in my inbox a while back, and it outlined like three different approaches.
Oh,
So I
good.
thought we could break it down, see what we think. Maybe there's an option in there that's a good fit for you listening out there.
Yeah, for sure. It's really amazing how the internet has opened up so many possibilities for generating income these days.
Great.
Like,
Right.
this report does a good job of highlighting a few of these alternative paths, especially if you're someone who's looking to break free from that traditional 9 to 5.
Yeah, exactly. And, it doesn't matter if you're trying to replace your full income or just want a little side hustle to earn some extra cash.
Right.
I think there's some valuable insights here. So let's jump right in. The first method they talk about is trading time for money on Fiverr.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of Fiverr.
So can you explain what that actually is?
Yeah, so basically, Fiverr is a platform where you can offer different services. Sometimes they call them gigs, and they start at $5.
Okay.
What's cool about Fiverr is that it's really easy to get started. You don't need to build a website or set up a payment system or anything like that.
That's nice.
They pretty much provide all of that, even the traffic, too.
Okay.
So all you have to do is create a profile, list your services, and you're good to go.
So it's like a digital marketplace for skills and services.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of selling physical products, you're basically selling your time and your skills, your expertise.
Uh-huh.
And you wouldn't believe the range of services people are offering on Fiverr. There was this funny example in the report. I think it was this guy offering to sing happy birthday in a thong.
No way.
I know, right? It just shows you like there's a market for almost anything you can think of.
That's hilarious.
Oh, Pritz.
It also made me think about like the upselling potential on Fiverr. Like this guy is not just charging $5 for a song.
Oh, for
I
sure.
think he probably has like add-ons.
Right, like personalized lyrics, or maybe he'll wear a different costume, or get other people to join in.
Exactly. And those little extras can really boost his earnings per gig.
Totally. You can really get strategic and package your services and offer like premium options to make even more money.
I like it.
But there's one thing to keep in mind with Fiverr, like it's a direct trade of your time for money.
Okay.
So your income is directly tied to how much you work. If you stop working, the money stops.
That makes sense. So it's a good option for a quick cash injection or a flexible side hustle if you need it.
Yeah.
But if you're looking for something that's truly passive, it might not be the best long-term strategy.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. If you want something more automated, something that scales, and where your income isn't tied to how many hours you put in, then the report suggests looking at some other methods.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so what are some of these other methods?
Well, the next one they talk about is creating and selling a digital beginner's guide.
That sounds interesting. So instead of trading time for money, you're creating something once and then potentially selling it over and over.
Exactly. It's all about leveraging your knowledge and passions to create a product that's valuable to beginners in a particular niche.
Okay, I like where this is going. Can you give me an example? How would this work in practice?
Okay, let's say you're really into guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs.
Yeah. You've had them for years. You've learned all the ins and outs of caring for them, like their diet, their habits, all that stuff.
Okay, I'm with you.
So you could take all of that knowledge and create a comprehensive digital guide, like an ebook or a video course called the Guinea Pig Owner's Handbook.
Ah, I see. So you're taking something you're passionate about and turning it into a product that you can sell online.
Exactly. And the cool thing about digital products is that they can be replicated and delivered automatically. You create it once, and then it can be sold over and over again without any extra effort on your part.
Right, that's where the passive income comes in. But how do you actually get people to buy your guinea pig handbook? Or any digital product for that matter?
That's a good question. You need a way to market it, right? And the report highlights a really effective approach, which is to offer something valuable for free as a lead magnet.
Lead magnet.
Yeah, like a little taste of your expertise to entice people to give you their email address.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
So, for example, you could create a short guide called 5 Things You Must Know When Choosing Your First Guinea Pig.
I see. So you're giving away some free, high-quality information that's directly relevant to your target audience.
Exactly. People who are thinking about getting a guinea pig would love to have that information, so they're more likely to hand over their email address in exchange for the guide.
Right, so you're building an email list of potential customers who are genuinely interested in guinea pigs. And then what?
Once you have their email, you can start nurturing that relationship. You send them a series of emails, maybe once a week or so, providing more valuable content, tips, advice, all about guinea pigs.
So you're establishing yourself as a guinea pig expert.
Precisely. And then strategically, you introduce them to your paid product, the Guinea Pig Owner's Handbook.
Okay, so it's all about building trust and authority before you even try to sell them anything? That's clever.
It's a win-win. The audience gets valuable free information, and you get potential customers who are more likely to buy from you because they already trust you.
I like it. So this digital product method sounds promising, but I imagine there's a bit of a learning curve involved.
Yeah.
What are some of the challenges someone might encounter?
Yeah, you're right. It's definitely not as simple as setting up a Fiverr gig. There are some technical aspects to figure out, like web hosting, email marketing platforms, things like that.
Right, so you need some tech skills.
And maybe some basic design skills if you're creating ebooks or visual content.
So there's a bit more upfront work involved and a little bit of technical know-how.
You could say that, but I think for those who are willing to put in the effort to learn these skills, the potential rewards are huge. You're building a real asset, a business that can generate passive income for years to come.
Okay, I'm starting to see the appeal. Now let's move on to the third method that caught my eye in the report. Affiliate marketing. They describe it as the middleman approach. What does that mean?
So with affiliate marketing, you're basically recommending other people's products and earning a commission on the sales that you generate. It's
Yeah.
kind of like being a brand ambassador or a trusted advisor.
So instead of creating my own guinea pig owner's handbook, I could find someone who already has a great handbook and just recommend that to my audience.
Exactly. You find products that you believe in, products that would be valuable to your audience, and you recommend them. The beauty of it is that you don't have to deal with any of the headaches of creating a product, delivering it, or handling customer support.
Oh, wow. So I could just focus on connecting my audience with the right products. That sounds pretty appealing, especially for someone who's just starting out and doesn't want to create their own product from scratch.
It's definitely a popular choice for beginners. And it leverages that same audience building strategy we talked about with the digital product method. You still want to offer valuable free content, build that email list, and nurture those relationships.
But instead of promoting my own product, I'm recommending other people's products that fit within my niche. So sticking with the guinea pig example, I could recommend other people's ebooks, online courses, maybe even physical products like cages, food, or toys.
You got it. You become a curator of valuable resources for your audience, and you earn a commission for every sale that's made through your unique affiliate links.
That's a really interesting model. I can see why the report highlighted affiliate marketing as a potentially easy and fast way to get started with making money online. Are there any technical hurdles with this approach? Any upfront costs I should be aware of?
Well, there are a few technical things to set up. You'll need a website or a platform to share your affiliate links, and you'll need an email marketing service to manage your audience.
Okay, so some basic website setup and email marketing knowledge is required. Is it expensive to get started with these things?
Not really. The costs are relatively low, especially compared to starting a traditional business. You can find affordable web hosting and email marketing services that are perfect for beginners.
So once you have those technical pieces in place, the potential for passive income is pretty enticing.
It is, but it's important to remember that passive doesn't mean effortless. You'll still need to put in the work to build an audience, create valuable content, and promote those affiliate links.
Yet, of course, it's not a magic get-rich-quick scheme.
Exactly. But compared to the other two methods we've discussed, affiliate marketing offers a relatively low barrier to entry, minimal upfront costs, and the potential to earn income even when you're not actively working.
It sounds like the Goldilocks solution for making money online. Not too difficult, not too time-consuming, and potentially quite lucrative. Out of the three methods we've talked about, affiliate marketing definitely seems the most interesting to me.
Yeah, it just seemed like it has a lot of potential. And we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we?
We have. We have explored three different approaches to making money online. Trading time for money on Fiverr, creating and selling a digital product, and affiliate marketing.
And each one has its own unique advantages and disadvantages. I guess the best choice really depends on you as an individual, your skills and interests, and what you're hoping to achieve.
I think that's a great way to put it. It's like Fiverr's great if you want to monetize your existing skills quickly, but creating a digital product that requires more upfront work, but then it has the potential to really scale. And affiliate marketing, that sits somewhere in between those two, right? You're leveraging the power of recommendations and partnerships.
It's almost like choosing your own adventure in the world of online income. It is. You can start simple, Maybe try out Fiverr, or dip your toes into product creation, or you can dive headfirst into affiliate marketing. It's exciting.
It really is. And this report we've been talking about, it does a great job of breaking down these complex ideas in a way that's easy to understand.
It does. I think it's a great resource for anyone who's curious about exploring new income streams. And for those who are really interested in affiliate marketing, it even mentions some additional resources that can help you get started.
Oh, that's handy. So for those listening who are thinking, hey, affiliate marketing sounds like something I want to explore further, where can they find this report?
It's really simple. Just click the link in the description of this episode and you can download the free report.
Awesome. Well, I highly recommend checking it out. It's packed with valuable information. Who knows, it could be your first step towards building a sustainable income online. And I think that's what's so exciting about all of this. The internet has opened up so many possibilities for people to take control of their financial futures. Whether you're looking for a little side hustle or you're dreaming of replacing your full-time income, there really are options out there.
I couldn't agree more.
So, on that note, I think it's time to wrap up this deep dive. But before we go, I'd love to leave you with a question to think about. What unique skills, knowledge, or passions do you have that you could potentially turn into an online income stream?
That's a great question. Really gets you thinking, doesn't it?
The possibilities really are endless. So get those creative juices flowing. Explore those ideas. You might just surprise yourself. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of online money making. Until next time, happy earning.